laundry chaos? Not on our watch. Meet the Joseph Joseph Tota hamper. Sort, lift and wash like a pro. Let's be real, laundry day is a hot mess. A mountain of dirty clothes, a pile of lights mixed with darks, and that awful realization that your favorite white shirt is now tie-dye thanks to a rogue sock. And those flimsy plastic hampers? They crack, they break, and they make carrying laundry a full-body workout. You need something smarter, sturdier, and downright stylish. Say hello to the Joseph Joseph Tota 90-liter laundry hamper, the game-changer that sorts, carries, and streamlines your laundry routine so effortlessly, you might actually enjoy doing it. Unlike ordinary hampers that turn your laundry room into a sorting disaster zone, the Joseph Joseph Tota keeps everything organized from the start. With two built-in, removable 30-liter tote bags, it lets you separate lights and darks, or clean versus dirty gym clothes, before wash day even begins. No more dumping everything on the floor to sort it out. The best part? Each bag has easy carry handles and a helper handle on the base for effortless emptying. Just lift, tip, and go. No mess, no hassle, just pure laundry day bliss. Forget those cheap hampers that look great for a week before falling apart. This one's built like a tank, but way more stylish. Wrapped in a sleek, fabric exterior, it blends seamlessly into bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms like a high-end decor piece. The sturdy frame holds its shape even when full, and the self-locating rim means the bags slide perfectly back into place, no frustrating buttons, clips, or ties. It's not just a hamper, it's an upgrade to your entire laundry experience. Laundry shouldn't feel like an Olympic event. This hamper does half the work for you, saving time, effort, and sanity. No more separate laundry baskets, no more frantic sorting, and definitely no more struggling with awkward, heavy loads. The two tote bags detach in seconds, letting you carry only what you need, straight to the machine. And because they're durable and washable, they last way longer than standard liners. More efficiency, less stress, and zero backbreaking loads? Sign us up. Here's the deal, once you get the Joseph Joseph Tota 90-liter hamper, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. It's strong, stylish, and smart, giving you next-level organization and effortless laundry days. Say goodbye to flimsy, overflowing baskets and hello to a sleek, frustration-free system. Whether you're tackling family laundry or just keeping your wardrobe in check, this hamper is the MVP of laundry day. So, why struggle when you can simplify? Click Add to Cart and make laundry day a breeze.